Hello everyone, welcome back at TechET. Google has provided us with an early look at the Pixel 7. We now know what the phone looks like with redesigned camera lenses on the distinctive horizontal bar, thanks to a sneak preview at the Google I/O in May. We also know, as expected, that the Pixel 7 will use the second generation Tensor chip, which will enable more AI and machine learning applications in this phone. But there are still many unanswered questions about the Pixel 7, and for good reason. The new phones won't be available until later this year. More Pixel 7 rumors will undoubtedly emerge in the coming months to paint a more detailed picture of how Google's phone will compete with devices like the Samsung Galaxy S22 and the upcoming iPhone 14 for a spot on the best phones list. Our new Pixel 7 leak suggests that the rear cameras will remain unchanged for last year's models. So far, Google only confirmed that the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro will be released in the fall. Google will probably keep a lead on the Pixel 7 price right up until the launch in the fall. For context, the Pixel 6 cost around $599 while the Pixel 6 Pro goes for $899. As an example, that's cheaper than what other phone makers charge for their flagship devices. The Galaxy S22 starts at $799, $200 more than the Pixel 6. For that reason, we hope Google is able to hold the line on prices for the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro. It helped Google's phones stand out from the competition, and it's probably helped make the Pixel 6 the best-selling Pixels in Google's history. As for the design, Google is keeping the horizontal camera bar introduced to the Pixel 6, but it's making some tweaks. The main camera and ultrawide camera have been combined. The Pixel 7 Pro has a separate lens, which we assume is a telephoto shooter. It has a very different appearance than the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro, which have more subdued lens design. The Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro have really pushed the cameras to their limits. Google overhauled the cameras when it released the Pixel 6, so it makes sense that hardware would remain unchanged with the upcoming phones. We are waiting to see what new camera features Google adds using a combination of its computational photography skills along with the updated Tensor processor. Another potential design change is that Google could add an under-display selfie camera to the next-gen Pixel. For colors, the base Pixel 7 has been rumored to come in black, white, coral, and blue. Google confirmed that it's working on a second-generation Tensor chipset, a follow-up to the first-gen Tensor found within the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro. And that's all for now. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get more updates. Till the next time.